Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me for the final day of my take profit evaluation. It's been a focused, disciplined journey over the last few days, and today marks the conclusion of this important phase. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how the last day played out, the key trades I took, and how they fit into the bigger picture of the evaluation. Whether you've been following along since day one, or you're just tuning in now, this is where we bring everything together and see how the results stack up. Let's dive into the trades, the performance, and the lessons learned on this final stretch of the challenge. Let's get into it. You join me here about 1 hour into the Asian session. In the 15-minute chart in the top right, you can see we've been in a downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs. On the 5-minute chart, we have some buyers stepping in to try and calm the bearish selling pressure. However, we are expecting continuation to the downside. We are at VWAP and expecting a rejection, and the price to continue on its trajectory downwards. We have a pivot point on the 5-minute chart, just above VWAP, and also a resistance area marked out on the 15-minute chart. So we will use this area as our stop loss. We enter for 1 contract short. Keeping in mind we are on day 5 of our evaluation, and we have already hit all of our requirements metrics and are only looking for a small profit. The price moves upwards and misses our stop loss by 3 ticks. An important reminder why to have your stop loss just above or below key resistance levels. We are patient, waiting for the sellers to step in, and the price edges closer to our take profit target for $120. We are a few ticks away, so move our stop loss down to ensure we capture profits in case the buyers step in again. The price hits our take profit and we head to sleep, waiting for the New York session tomorrow. Welcome to the New York Open. Right now, we're just letting the first 15-minute range play out. This is where we wait and watch price action as the market finds its footing for the day. Why do we do this? Because that first 15 minutes often sets the tone, and once the range is established, we'll be looking for a breakout opportunity, either to the upside or downside. No need to rush in. We're focused, patient, and waiting for confirmation. Whether we get a strong bullish push or a clean drop, we'll be ready to strike with a well-managed trade setup. As the 15-minute range is coming to a close, it looks like we might be bearish today, so we set up an order for 1 contract short in preparation for a breakout to the downside, waiting for other confluence to take the position. We get a break to the downside with increased selling volume and a bearish MACD. We have also just broken one of our resistance lines marked out on the 15-minute chart, so feel confident in the move to the downside. We open a position for 1 contract short. The market has strong selling pressure and heads towards our take profit fast. Now, if this wasn't the final day of the evaluation, I would have let this trade ride all the way down to our take profit, but bearing in mind we only need a small profit, we exit the position early in profit and are done for the day. Let's review the total 5 days of our take profit evaluation results. Over the course of the evaluation, there were 32 trades executed across 112 contracts, generating a gross profit of $5,235. A strong 81.25% of all trades were profitable, with an average expectancy of $163.59 per trade. After subtracting $280 in trade fees and commissions, the net profit comes to $4,955. Of the 32 total trades, 26 were winners. The biggest winning trade was $890. With the average win coming in at $274 and the average duration just under 12 minutes. On the losing side, there were 6 trades totaling a loss of $1,890. The largest loss was $810, with an average loss of $315 and similar time exposure to the winners. The maximum drawdown was $1,225, experienced on July 16th. Over 81% of trades landed in the win column and a positive P&L trajectory shown in both daily and cumulative graphs. Overall, these 5 days of trading results demonstrate consistent execution, strong risk management, and profitability, marking a successful phase in our Take Profit evaluation. If you've enjoyed this 5-day Take Profit trader evaluation journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting us know which other evaluations you'd like to see us take on, and smash next. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, trade smart, stay patient, and we'll catch you in the next one.